In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an invoice in Xero. We'll walk through this process from inside your Xero dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get your invoices out of Xero in a file you can save, share, or send to your accountant. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. This is the screen you usually see right after signing in, with an overview of your bank accounts, invoices, and other key information. From here, look toward the top of the page for the main navigation menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to sales transactions, including quotes, invoices, and customer information. Go ahead and click on Sales. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Just look for the section where your outgoing invoices are managed. It's usually clearly labeled as Sales or Business, depending on your setup. Once you're in the Sales area, you'll see several options. What you want to focus on here is Invoices. This section contains all of your sales invoices, whether they're draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, or already paid. Click on Invoices to open the full invoices list. After you click through, you should see a table or list of invoices. You can usually filter this list by status, date, or contact if you need to narrow it down, but for exporting purposes, you'll typically be working with whatever is visible in this list. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct screen and that the invoices you want are showing. Now look for the export option on this invoices page. This is often located near the top right of the list, along with other actions like print or email. Click on Export. When you do this, Xero will prepare a file with the invoice data from the list you're viewing. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to choose a format such as CSV, which is a common format for spreadsheets and imports into other systems. After you confirm the export, your browser will download the file. Make sure to save it somewhere you can easily find later, such as a dedicated accounting or reports folder. From there, you can open it in a spreadsheet program, attach it to an email, or upload it to another platform